Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna present you my website. And this website is about the coffee cafe where you can buy some coffee, have a cozy atmosphere. And let's talk about the homepage. Here we can see the welcome to Madina's coffee, and you can see why we are special because we have fresh beans. Our baristas are expert in their work, so we have a so cozy space and the great service, of course. And our popular drinks are the espresso, latte, and cold brew. And also, you can see here the full menu, but we can see it. I will see it later. Okay, what about what customers say about us? They have a lot of good comments about our coffee. And also, let's see about okay. See about the careers, and we can say that if you work with us, you will have a good salary, free coffee, you will have a trainings, you will have flexible hours, so the students can also work. Also, we have the gross career, and we have a lot of finance in buildings, and this is our open positions. You can apply, and this is our values, we can say. Yep. Requirements. Yep. Okay. Menu. Let's talk about the FAQ. This is our popular questions, like what are our opening hours. We can see that there's from Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. and Saturday from Saturday 8 a.m. and Sunday 9 a.m. So we can see here the footer. You can contact with us. You can see our address and email. Let's see the contact. You can apply. You can send a message for us. Click the subject tag, and we will contact. Okay, let's talk about the code section, and let's talk about HTML about this page. I built in using the section tag here for structure and CSS grid layout to display 6 benefits cards. And also each card is in article with an icon, you can see here, and title and short description of everything. And also in CSS, I use display grid with 3 columns, add paddings, rounded corners. Here, yep, and also I add grid into 1 column so it stays readable. And the main challenge of this page was that we're keeping all cards aligned and making the icons the same size, which I fixed using grid layout and consistent font sizes. And let's talk about the careers. The careers is my career page code, and I structured the whole page using a separate section elements to keep here to keep everything organized. The hero, benefits, job openings, qualities, and the final call to action. The main challenge part was laying out multiple grids, because, for example, the way why you want to work here, benefits and open positions cards boards are in the CSS grid. So grid helped me keep all items aligned and manually spaced. Let's talk about the contact HTML, and in the context, I can say that I built this page using 2 columns, grid layout, and 1 left side. There is a contact information, and on the right side there are contact form. And one of the challenges here was that designing the form I used div and groups for each label and input. So to keep them everything in consistent way, and I also styled input selects text areas with custom borders, and also paddings and hover effects, so they match with each other like in design. Okay, let's talk about the FAQ section. Here we can say that I built this section using collapsible FAQ items, and each question is a button, and when you click it, the Java toggles as an active class to show or hide the answers. This keeps this page clean and easy to scan. And one of the challenges of this page was making accordion smooth and accessible. And I used the semantic HTML with button. Here you can see elements instead of plain divs, so keyboard navigation works correctly. And let's talk about our index page, home page. Here I structured the page using multiple sections: hero area, features, popular drinks, reviews, and call to action. The hero section uses a large heading and two buttons, and I centered everything with flexbox and added spacing by using the CSS to create a clean layout. And one challenge is making to the navigation responsive. And I added a mobile menu toggle button that uses to hide the navigation list. This keeps header clean and smaller screens. I can show you. Let me. Yep. Here you can see that there's a icon, and you can just click, and it works. Yep. Also, let's talk about our menu page. In the menu page, I organized the menu items using 3 columns and CSS grid, so the layout looks clean and consistent. For images, and like I guess I didn't for images I used for images let me see. Yeah, for images and icons I used a fixed size container, so all cards stay aligned even if their content is different. And also in smaller grid screen, the grid automatically switches. Yeah, we can see here in one line. And the one challenge on this page was keeping the spacing equal across rows and making sure that cards do not stretch and unevenly. And that's all of my presentation. Thank you so much.